how to stream Netflix on Discord without a black screen. Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to stream Netflix on Discord without a black screen. Alright, so let's begin with the video. I'm over here inside of Discord as you guys can see, and when I join a voice channel and I want to share my screen and then select Netflix, the screen becomes completely black and I cannot share it with anybody. That is an automatic protection or copyright protection from Netflix so that other people cannot view Netflix with you or maybe screen record in order to, publish it anywhere else without having the rights to do so. In order to fix this, we want to close our Netflix app on our PC or laptop if you use that, and then we want to go to Google and simply search for Netflix, and we need to use Netflix on Google if you aren't doing that already. Now there's a trick to this because just screen sharing Netflix in Google doesn't work either. What we need to do is go to the settings in Google. So on the top right corner, we have these three dots. You want to click on there and simply go to the settings. Once you are here in the settings, you want to go to the system section. Over here it says use graphics acceleration when available. Now this is something you need to turn off. So simply click on this, then relaunch your browser, in my case Google. Simply click on there and there we go, it automatically restarted. Once you are here, you can close out the settings. Now we are on Netflix. Go back to Discord and go to the settings. Then once you are here, you need to go to voice and video. Over here, scroll down until you see hardware acceleration, and you also want to turn this off. So simply have this off. Now what we've done is turned off hardware acceleration both in Google and Discord. Now what we can do is go to a voice channel, share your screen, and then select Netflix. Make sure to also share the system audio and then simply go live. There should not be a black screen anymore while sharing Netflix on Discord. So that's basically how you can stream Netflix on Discord without a black screen. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.